Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I am showing you the Wolverhampton Wanderers versus Preston North End programme. We did lose 2-1, but oh well. We can now Preston concentrate on the league. So I don't know who he is, so comment down below. Their manager, Bruno Lars, whatever he's called, don't know, so comment down below. The number 8 is Ruben Neves. It's a nice kit there. Wolverhampton Wanderers like it. Very smart. Don't know who he is, so comment down below. Last time in the Premier League, Wolverhampton Wanderers drove to Molineux to Fulham. And there's a picture of the game. There's some Preston players, including Tom Finney. I don't know who that is down there, so comment down below. Last 5 against. Yeah. There's some Preston players there. There's a picture of the game against Rotherham last Tuesday. That also a 0-0. More pictures of Preston and Wolves when they used to play each other when they were in the Championship. And there's a picture of another Preston player there. So yeah. More pictures of Preston and Wolves when they used to play each other when they were in the Championship at Molineux and Deepdale. There's Molineux full with the big flame things. Pretty impressive, if you ask me. There's the Wolverhampton Wanderers home kit. It's really nice and fresh. And there's the away. It looks really smart. 2 smart looking kits, if you don't mind me. There's some player sponsors for Wolverhampton Wanderers. The mascots for yesterday's game. And a picture of Molineux there. With squads, the Preston North End squad in form, the Wolves squad in form, the match officials. The next game for Wolves is at Molineux against Newcastle United in the Premier League. So see you next week guys, bye.